You have to teach someone else to actually have that same mentality and develop them in their own character development at the same time as well. And as a consequence of that, it's really hard for a period of time. And then it gets easy or easier because you've built the skill and now you have a level of standardization within the people that you will accept to work with you versus the stuff that a lot of people accept because it's more tolerance. They tolerate things as opposed to an acceptance of things that they're creating as a standard, right? So you need to make a decision. Who do I want to be? Do I want to be the lifestyle business guy, which predictable sales would help you create really fucking easily, really, really, really easily. So it's a factor of personal brand. So it's like a combination of personal brand times audience times inbound from your offer linking based content, right? Those three things can get you to 50 grand a month by making sure that they already come in, already want what you're selling. When it comes to building a real team and getting to the millions, it's all of these things multiplied, right? You still need all of those things, but it comes down to systems times accountability times leadership is what creates $1 million team. Because without the systems, they don't know what to follow. Without the accountability to it, they don't really know. They aren't going to be held accountable to it. And then without your leadership developing character development, skill development, actually showing and leading by example, they will fall by the wayside. And a lot more decision making, some additional decision making criterias,